Hi, this is Chris and Milo from needlepointers.com. Today we are going to show you how we will refresh our little free book library. Our library was purchased from the Little Free Book Library website back in 2020. I noticed this year that there are cracks forming in the wood, so I wanted to make sure that I sealed it so it will last longer. We are going to use paint, stickers, and sealant to cover the library and decorate it. I'm not sure how long the stickers will last, as I haven't tried this before. So, in a year, I may give an update on the web page for this project. Look in the description of this video for the link to our website, and on that page will be a photo tutorial and links to purchase supplies for this project. I purchased Rust-Oleum Ultra Cover Outdoor Paint to paint the little free library. I also purchased Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch Satin Clear to seal the library. For decorating the library, you can use exterior vinyl decals. I am going to try to use these printable waterproof stickers. I am not sure how long these will last on the library, but we'll test it out. I will spray the clear sealant over the vinyl decals or waterproof stickers after applying them. I hope this will help keep them from peeling off or fading. We will see. We've prepped the library for painting by taping around the doors, trim, and roof. The paint has been stirred and put into a tray. Milo will paint the outside of the library. We are not going to paint the inside of the library because it's still in good condition. I used my Cricut machine to make these stickers. I have a Cricut Design Space subscription and browse the images to find flowers and bee images to make these sticker sheets. As a subscriber, there is a new feature, Create Sticker, that allows you to turn images into printable stickers with a few clicks. If you have a Design Space subscription, I recommend you try this feature. I use the print and cut method and printable vinyl sticker paper. If you don't have a Cricut or a subscription, you can still decorate your little free library with stickers or vinyl applique. I will include some links of where you can purchase custom stickers on the web page for this project. Click the link in the description. The paint on the library has dried. Milo applied multiple coats of the paint to fill in all of the cracks. Now we are ready to apply the stickers. Peel the stickers off the backing and apply them to the library. After we apply the stickers, we will apply this clear coat sealant over top of the stickers to make them waterproof. Here is our refreshed little book library. We added all the stickers and sealed them with the sealant. We hope you enjoyed learning how we refreshed our little book library. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Like and share our videos, and if you are not a subscriber, subscribe to our channel so you won't miss future videos. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of other tutorials and free projects. While you're there, sign up for our weekly newsletter so you won't miss new tutorials. Happy crafting!